Perlite, 100%. I know it may sound a little complicated, but trust me, it's super easy and fun. First off, let me explain what perlite is. It's a type of volcanic glass that's been heated until it pops like popcorn. Sounds cool, right? Perlite is great for growing plants because it's lightweight, porous, and holds water well. And the best part? It doesn't compact over time, which means your plant's roots can get all the air and water they need to grow healthy and strong. Now let's talk about micro dwarf tomatoes. These little guys are perfect for small spaces, like a windowsill or balcony. They only grow to be a few inches tall, but don't let their size fool you. They produce delicious and juicy tomatoes that are packed with flavor. To grow micro dwarf tomatoes in only perlite, all you need is a container, perlite, and some tomato seeds. Fill the container with perlite, plant the seeds, and water regularly. That's it. No soil needed. Plus, because perlite is so lightweight, you can move your container around easily if you need to. One thing to keep in mind when growing micro dwarf tomatoes in perlite is that they need plenty of light. So make sure to place your container in a sunny spot, like a south-facing window. In just a few weeks, you'll have your very own mini tomato garden. And the best part? You can enjoy fresh, homegrown tomatoes all year round. So give it a try and let me know how it goes in the comments below. Happy gardening!